Alright YouTube, there's an eastbound right there. Looks like to be like a an 820. It's a Dash 9W with an SD70M on the lead. Man, I couldn't have timed that any better. I think this is probably an 820, an 822, or I don't know which one it is, but I'll try to confirm on the symbol here in just a little bit. But look at the coal humps on the cars. This is incredible. This is incredible. This tells you that business is up. So here we will watch the Dash 9, the SD70M, as they will lead this NS coal train as he will continue east to Pier 6. Just a fun fact, the Top Gun hoppers that you see on the trains, those were built at NS East End shops. And that's it. Well, there you have it, YouTube. There goes your eastbound coal drag on NS. Alright, thanks for watching.